Hello, my name is Jose Alejandro Gutierrez Sota, and I'm going to speak to you an English narration. Now, audiovisual content consists of succession of images with audio and as potential purposes of being broken or transmitting. Audiovisual content included and content transmitted by television, radio, cinema, etc. Regardless of the nature of the content and the mediums, today we observe multimedia content daily in digital files like broadcast, web pages, and tablets on databases. The audiovisual content can and dynamic and variant by region and demographic growth. However, some general trends can be identified. Streaming platforms. Services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Cinema HBO Max have experienced a potential growth, offering a wide range of movies, series, and documentary on-demand content subscription and gaining ground over traditional television. Online videos. Gaming or dominated platforms with a wide variety of user-generated content, music, video, tutorials, and live broadcast platforms like TikTok and Instagram when have popularized some interesting videos. Social media. Social media has become an important channel for audiovisual content consumption with video, live broadcast, and ephemeral content like stories. As summary, the more viewers are using audiovisual content capacity and with range of content and platforms with strong emphasis on streaming, online video, and social. Thank you for attention.